As a top 1% Etsy seller and coach, I cannot stress the importance of mindset going forward with your Etsy business. More than anything else, your mindset and beliefs, true or not true, will determine your success on the platform. Far more than any algorithm or competition, which is usually where the blame gets put. So here are the top 5 myths that may be messing with your mindset and halting your success as an Etsy shop owner. Myth number 1, the market is too saturated. One of the biggest myths about Etsy is that the market is too saturated, that you're too late to make it on the platform and it's oversaturated to the point that no one else can succeed. While yes, the competition on Etsy can be fierce, rest easy knowing that new shops are succeeding on the platform every single day. You just need to know the secret to stand out on the platform. And are you ready for that secret? It's not really a secret. It's all about just discovering low competition keywords. I recommend tools like Everbee, which is an Everbee research tool specifically designed for Etsy sellers. Look for low competition keywords in your niche and then customize your digital products to align with these keywords to improve your chances of ranking in search and meeting a broad range of customer needs. Even if the keywords don't have a high search volume, you'll be able to connect and attract your target audience. When a customer searches for a specific keyword, such as "that girl digital planner stickers" or "witchy wall art," they're probably narrowing in on what they want to purchase after searching for a more generic version of that particular product. So what does this mean for you? Viewers looking up specific keywords are more ready to make a purchase. By placing yourself in front of these browsers, you're eliminating the oversaturated barrier and meeting customers halfway as you're providing them with a high quality specific product that is perfect for their needs. Myth number 2, passive income means no work. Myth number 2 is really hard to hear, especially if you've previously seen popular videos on earning passive income online, which I'm sure you have. However, passive income is a bit of a misnomer. While yes, passive income does mean money you can earn without doing a lot of active work, you still need to keep one big thing in mind. If you run an Etsy shop, you are running a business. This means that you must provide customer service, read reviews for critical feedback, create new products, market your shop, and create regular updates to keep your products current. While it may be tempting to believe that you can create a product and then sit back and let thousands of dollars in revenue generate, the honest truth is that some ongoing work is going to be required. Now, once you've created and listed a handful of great products and are gaining traction through Etsy's algorithm, meaning you don't have to work as hard to generate your own traffic, you can earn more passive income where less effort is required. But at first, you'll definitely be working more hours to build up this type of success. Plus, it's really critical that you treat your Etsy shop as a genuine business by creating clear goals and objectives, by planning product launches, continuously adding your shop to give yourself one more product to attract new customers. A commitment to continuous improvement is a recipe for success and will help you achieve that glorious earn money in your sleep dream we all have. As a top 1% Etsy seller, I can tell you firsthand that earning money, and good money at that, in your sleep is possible, but it will never be completely passive. Myth number 3, instant and rapid success. As someone who teaches others how to become 6-figure Etsy sellers, I see many of my students hit a roadblock after they've been selling on Etsy for a few months and haven't seen success. Again, this myth likely comes from the many ads, YouTube videos, blogs, and courses, online advertising, fast success. Yes, some people do achieve success quickly. For most of us, it does take a little bit more time, a few months at the very least. Like most people, I can struggle with being impatient, and I know it's hard to put in a lot of upfront work to build a successful shop and then have to watch it grow slower than you'd really like to see. However, there is a reason that patience is a virtue, and it's so crucial to any business's success. You are in this for the long haul. Building consistent, substantial success with your Etsy shop will take time, but the rewards are so worth it. Take it from someone who's able to work from home, take off with my kids whenever I want, and still actually do what I love. Instead, focus on the success you are seeing. Constantly improve your current marketing and products while launching new products to broaden your store's reach and appeal. Do keep in mind that Etsy listings usually take 30 to 60 days to rank, meaning that the platform needs at least 1 to 2 months to assess your product, figure out how to rank it, and who to show it to. And this is all good stuff because it will mean that your product will be shown to the right people rather than be glossed over by the wrong audience. Realistically, give yourself 6 months to a year of actively creating, listing, and marketing your digital products to evaluate your shop's success. This is enough time for product ranking, gathering customer feedback, and learning what does and doesn't work for you. Myth number 4, you need to be an expert to create digital products. Myth number 4 stops so many people from starting an Etsy shop, and that is good old imposter syndrome, or feeling that you need to be an expert to create digital products. Let me start by saying that I had zero experience in graphic design or product creation before I started my shop, and I've been able to build multiple successful Etsy shops. In this highly digital age, anyone can create digital products to sell on Etsy. Just choose user-friendly design software like Kittl or Canva and learn it inside and out. I recommend watching YouTube tutorials, practicing design, and using other online resources. Then share your product with friends and family to get feedback before you launch it. Remember that you don't have to create a perfect product. A high-quality creative product that solves the buyer's problem is much more important than perfection. Another tip that helps me with imposter syndrome is considering my skill set. While you may be like me and not have a graphic design background, you likely have other skills or interests that lend themselves to product development. Do you maybe have experience as a freelancer or teacher? Look into creating digital planners, printables, or trackers to solve common problems that you may have experienced. Or what hobbies do you have? Based on your hobbies, you could sell crochet patterns, design digital recipe or meal planners, or create a tracker for athletes. Lean into your strengths. Have a clear idea of what problem you are addressing for your audience and leverage online resources like YouTube channels or blogs or communities to fill out the rest. Most successful Etsy sellers have no experience with design, so you are definitely not alone. Myth number 5, I shouldn't embrace the collaborative spirit. This last myth definitely makes me feel a little sad, so let's break it once and for all. The myth is I shouldn't embrace a collaborative spirit. This couldn't be further from the truth. Embracing collaboration on Etsy is a good thing, and while it's a competitive platform, it's still very friendly. Etsy sellers frequently collaborate with each other and support other sellers' products. I wouldn't let intimidation get you down. Embrace collaboration by connecting with other Etsy sellers. You can learn so much from others. You can cross-promote and give each other much needed emotional support. Running a small business isn't easy and can definitely take its toll. So who better than others in the same boat to support you? You can even connect with other Etsy sellers in my comment section below. We do have many wonderful viewers working hard to make their Etsy shop a success. So feel free to also check out my private community. The link will be in the description. And don't hesitate to share your story, ask for advice, or reply to others in the comments with your tips and tricks. I can't end this video without stressing how critical adopting the right mindset is. Don't let these myths cloud your confidence. Take time to build confidence in yourself with mindset work like journaling or affirmations, and then take those steps to launch your shop and market your business, even when it seems scary. I promise it is for everyone at some point or another. And remember, the Etsy landscape continues to be abundant, and you can unlock your potential and build a successful online business. Check out this video on the fastest way to 10K months on Etsy on the screen now for even more inspiration on designing high profit products for Etsy, and I will see you in the next video.